Imagine a company that can sift through mountains of information and uncover hidden secrets. That's Palantir Technologies, a software company at the heart of the data revolution. Palantir builds tools that help governments and big businesses make sense of overwhelming data. Their software turns raw information into clear insights, helping organizations make smarter, faster decisions. The real magic? Artificial intelligence, or AI, powers Palantir's technology. Their main product, the Artificial Intelligence Platform, AIP, connects all a company's data and reveals patterns no human could spot. Companies use AIP to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and outpace competitors. Palantir's clients fall into two camps: governments, who use it for national security and defense, and major commercial businesses in industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and energy. This dual focus makes Palantir unique in the tech world. It's not just about collecting data, it's about understanding it deeply and acting on it. That's why business leaders and investors are watching Palantir so closely. The company's success is proof of how powerful AI can be in solving real-world problems. As the world generates more data every day, Palantir's role only grows. Their latest financial report shows just how much momentum they've built. Palantir isn't just riding the AI wave, they're helping shape it. Let's dive into the numbers that have everyone talking. On August 5, 2025, Palantir announced its best quarter ever. For the first time, their revenue topped $1 billion in just 3 months, a huge milestone. The news sent shockwaves through the stock market. Palantir's stock, trading as PLTR, surged nearly 8%, hitting a new record high. Investors were thrilled, seeing this as proof that Palantir's AI investments are paying off. This wasn't just a small bump, it was a massive leap compared to last year. The company's rapid growth is exactly what technology investors crave. Palantir's results show it's not just a government contractor anymore, it's a commercial powerhouse too. The record revenue proves businesses everywhere want Palantir's AI platform to stay competitive. This quarter cements Palantir's status as a true leader in the AI industry. The bar is now set even higher for what Palantir might achieve next. The world is watching to see how far they can go. Let's break down the numbers that wowed everyone. Palantir's Q2 revenue hit $1.004 billion, a 48% jump from last year. That kind of growth is rare for a company of this size. More customers are signing up, and the momentum is real. Profitability soared too. Adjusted earnings per share reached 16 cents, up 78% from last year. Palantir isn't just growing sales, it's turning more of that revenue into real profit. Cash flow was another highlight. $569 million in adjusted free cash flow, up a staggering 282%. This means Palantir has plenty of cash to invest, hire, and innovate, without borrowing. The company's financial strength gives it flexibility and security. Revenue, profit, and cash flow are all surging at once, a rare trifecta. This is the kind of performance that excites both employees and investors. It's not just one good number, it's a complete financial success story. Palantir's Q2 results are the talk of Wall Street for good reason. The company is firing on all cylinders. Growth and profitability are working hand in hand. Wall Street analysts make predictions before every earnings report. Palantir didn't just meet those expectations, it crushed them. Analysts expected $939.7 million in revenue. Palantir delivered over $1 billion, beating estimates by more than $64 million. On profits, analysts predicted 14 cents per share. Palantir posted 16 cents. In corporate finance, even a 2-cent beat is a big deal. Beating expectations on both revenue and earnings is the gold standard for public companies. This performance builds trust in Palantir's management and strategy. Investors love companies that consistently outperform predictions. Palantir's results prove the excitement around its AI isn't just hype. It's real, measurable success. Surprising Wall Street gives Palantir even more credibility. The company's momentum is undeniable. Investors are taking notice, and so is the entire tech industry. Palantir's financial report wasn't just about past wins, it was about future ambition. After a stellar quarter, the company raised its guidance for the rest of 2025. Revenue growth expectations jumped from 36% to 45% for the year. Now Palantir expects $4.14 to $4.15 billion in annual revenue. well above Wall Street's forecasts. The company also raised its outlook for the next quarter, signaling that strong performance will continue. This isn't a one-time spike, it's sustained momentum. Palantir's leadership is confident that demand for its AI platform will keep accelerating. Raising guidance sends a powerful message. The business is speeding up, not slowing down. For investors, this optimism, backed by real numbers, makes Palantir one of the most watched stocks in tech. The growth story is just getting started. At the center of Palantir's success is CEO Alex Karp, known for his bold vision. After the record quarter, Karp called the results phenomenal and credited the company's relentless focus on building the world's best AI platform. He described AI leverage, using artificial intelligence to do more with less. Palantir's AIP lets businesses solve huge problems faster and smarter than ever before. Customers are seeing real transformative results, better decisions, greater efficiency, and a competitive edge. Karp's message is clear. Palantir isn't just selling software, it's selling a new way of operating. The world is only beginning to grasp what's possible with AI, and Palantir is leading the charge. This vision connects the company's financial success to its technology. Palantir's strategy is all about AI, and it's paying off. The company is perfectly positioned to ride and shape the AI wave. Karp's leadership and belief in AI's power are driving Palantir's growth. The company's recent wins are no accident. They're the result of years of focus and innovation. Palantir is helping businesses unlock the true potential of their data. The transformation is just beginning. That's why investors and customers are paying close attention. Palantir's financial strength goes beyond profits. At the end of Q2, the company had $6 billion in cash and short-term investments. That's a massive safety net and a war chest for future growth. With this much cash, Palantir can invest in R&D, hire top talent, or acquire new technology without hesitation. Even more impressive, Palantir has zero long-term debt. Many big companies borrow billions, but Palantir has grown without taking on loans. This financial discipline means profits can be reinvested, not used to pay lenders. A huge cash balance and no debt is the definition of a strong balance sheet. Investors love this. It reduces risk and increases flexibility. Palantir is built to weather any storm and seize new opportunities. The company's foundation is as solid as its growth story. That's a rare combination in tech. With all this good news, why didn't Palantir's stock soar even higher? The answer: sky-high expectations. The stock had already climbed 129% in 2025, so much of the good news was priced in. Investors were already betting on a blockbuster quarter. When results met those hopes, the stock still jumped, but not as much as some expected. Another factor: valuation. Palantir's stock was trading at a lofty 278 times expected earnings. At that price, even great news can only move the stock so far. Still, an 8% jump and a new record high show investors remain confident. Palantir's long-term story is what really matters. Palantir's record quarter is more than just numbers. It's a sign of the AI era in full swing. The company has moved from secretive government work to the center of the commercial AI revolution. Its ability to turn complex AI into real-world results is driving explosive growth. Strong revenue, rising profits, and massive cash flow show a business executing almost flawlessly. With billions in cash and no debt, Palantir is ready to lead as AI adoption accelerates worldwide. The company's vision: data and AI helping humans make better decisions. Palantir isn't just selling software, it's selling intelligence. In a complex world, that's a powerful business to be in. The future looks as phenomenal as the present. Palantir's story is just beginning.